Hi, this is Rosalie Kipipan. I'm going to teach you how to convert Fahrenheit to Celsius and vice versa. In converting Fahrenheit to Celsius, we are going to use this formula. For example, 102.2 degrees Fahrenheit to Celsius. First, we're going to put C 5/9 times the given, which is 102.2 minus 32. Copy C is equal to 5/9. Then subtract 102.2 minus 32. That is 70.2. Then we are going to multiply 70.2 times 5. 70.2 times 5, that is 351. Then copy over 9. 351 divided by 9 is equal to 39. Therefore, 102.2 degrees Fahrenheit is equal to 39 degrees Celsius. Now, in converting Celsius to Fahrenheit, we are going to use this formula. If is equal to 9/5 C plus 32. Example, 80 degrees Celsius to degrees Fahrenheit. First, put F, then 9/5 our given, which is 80 plus 32. Now, multiply 80 times 9. 80 times 9, that is 720. Copy over 5, then plus 32. Now, 720 divided by 5, that is 144. Then copy plus 32. Now we are going to add 144 plus 32, that is 176. Therefore, 80 degrees Celsius is equal to 176 degrees Fahrenheit. That's how easy to convert Fahrenheit to Celsius and vice versa. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to click the subscription button and hit the notification bell. Like and share. Thank you.